everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we'll see our next topic, uh, how to sort data using our order by clause. So we can sort records by using order by. So order by, we can sort the retrieved rows with the order by clause, ascending and descending. Two orders are available, ascending order default. If you are not mentioned any order, then it by default give us the records with the ascending order, and descending order we need to specify. So one is top to bottom and bottom to top, like that two orders are there. So here one example also there, select last name, job ID, department ID, hire date from employee order by hire date. So we need I need to all the records those are joined from the beginning of the month, means I want record like January to the means I need to record like with the order, like who joined in January, who joined, whose employee joined in the February, March, like that. Then I can sort easily. So we can sort easily by using order by clause. So I'll show with some practical examples also here. So see, this is my demo table. So here I will get some data like how order by used. Select, suppose I need first name, comma, I need city from demo, where, no, not where, from table name, order by first name. Here I am not specified any order. So how much? See, first I'll run up to this query. You can test like this, okay? First I run this query, so I get Smriti, Raj, like that. It's not any orders are not present here. Now I'll execute full query where the first name should be in order. See, Aviram, A, K, M, R, like that letters are coming. So these specified now order. When I need this in descending, then first name, see, I order now ascending. Now same format is there, okay, no change. See, because by default is ascending order. Here I specify descending, DSC. Now what happened? So here I'll get descending, PSR, like up to, means this is the reverse order, okay. So I get like this record. Here also we can use numeric value. Numeric value in the sense, see, this is the first name. I don't need to mention first name. I can mention here that one in the sense first only. Then also I'll get my output. And here also we can use multiple queries like order by ascending. We can use this as ascending, comma, we can use city, descending, like that also we can use it, okay. So this is the multiple column, so we can get it through order by. Next we can use here also numeric things like 2. Now also I'll get the output numeric value, okay. No need to specify, we can directly give that number of that city, means number of that column. So first column 1 and 2, like that we can also get our data. One more way is there, like if we are using aliases. So what in that case? So if I use here age, suppose I want that first name to replace with the name. Now what I will do, I can use here order by name ascending. Now I am getting error here. So why I am getting error? No, we used in double quote that name. Then we also need to specify here with the double quote. Okay, fine now. So here what we get? We get how to use order by queries and how to use order by clause, and how to get the means ascending order and descending order and multiple queries in multiple column name with one query. After that, also we get it like how to use aliases in order by. This all these things we covered in how to deal with the numeric also we covered. Now we are comes to the points like how it helpful in our real world example. When we are working as a developer, then think and sometimes we are using drop downs, right? So in the drop down that we need some order means all the data are when we are clicking, no, then all the data are displaying in our drop down. So your requirement is I don't need random data, I need alphabetical order. Means all the data what names, suppose names are there, then I need alphabetical means orders. Then you can write the query in the backend. You can file that query with the order by first name ascending. Then you will get all that with the alphabetical manners. Or sometimes you need records of employees information with those are joined, means those are have good experience like 5 years 6 years, then you can get that from that joining date, means those are last joining date. Like descending order means if you get all the record those are joined very means earlier. So accordingly that you can find the information and you can show to your manager or team lead, or you can also analyze data. So that order why is very important. So please after this video, when this session end, so please keep remember this query and all these 3-4 steps what I just show you, just keep practicing it, then you will get more clarity about that, otherwise you can forget things. So bye for the now. Thank you, take care, bye bye.